There it is.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you love crazy rescues and classic cars, hit that like button and subscribe. We put in so much hard work to bring you new and unique content every time. I rescued this 1938 BMW 327 straight from the bottom of the sea. Yes, the sea. It was full of water, rust and even snakes living inside. But the soul of the car was still there. We carefully shipped it out, and now it's heading to the workshop. We are not going to rebuild it, we are going to restore it. Keep every dent, every scare, every story, because real classics are not made, they are brought back to life. Thank you so much for watching.
Team B, increase flow to the starboard side. Copy that, adjusting nozzles now. Hook secured on the forward mount.
Connection looks solid. Ready for tension.
Copy that.
Bring the old BMW aboard.
Lowering the load, steady as she goes. Confirmed, easy now, watch the port side.
Check the corrosion on the bumper here. We need to document that stress fracture before moving it. The restoration starts when we reach the workshop.
Connect the extractor hose over here.
We need more mats around the front tires.
Be careful near the corrosion on the grille.
Let's remove every trace of the ocean.
Okay, moving to the center frame now.
Got it. I'm focusing on the transmission housing.
Watch the brake lines back there.
The rocker panel is completely shot past the seam.
The floor mount is perforated. We need to replace the whole section. Tapping here sounds thin. Better mark this edge.
The marine corrosion is extensive on this housing.
Yes, but the structure is sound after the electrolysis.
I'll prep this tray for the ultrasonic cleaner.
The geometry is spot on. Okay, starting the grind now. Keep the extraction hose close. Headlight casings, left and right. They're beautiful. Cross-referencing with the manifest now. I'm getting exactly 65 millimeters here. Confirmed. Let's check the offset against the original. Look at the clarity on this lens compared to the original. The corrosion on the old housing is extensive. We need to ensure the wiring harness matches the schematic exactly.
The curvature matches the original exactly.
Yes, the mounting brackets align perfectly with the schematics. The plating on this new terminal is perfect. Yes, they match the diagrams exactly. The lighting circuit is ready.
All gauges are calibrated and the glass is pristine.
Confirmed. The wiring harness matches the schematic exactly.
Much better than the originals.
The wiring harnesses are all checked off. Mechanical components are organized and ready. Excellent. We have everything accounted for. Let's begin the installation. How's the clearance on the caliper?
Looks spot on.
Alignment is perfect to spec. Watch the gauges as we slide it in. Clear. The connectors are lining up perfectly. All right, centered. I'm starting the fastener now. Does that edge line up with the sill plate? Almost, just needs a little trim right here. How are the clips on the door panel holding up? Aligning the front mounts now.
Confirmed. Use the ratchet.
Smooth travel confirmed. Okay, easy now. Tilt it slightly.
Got it. Watch the corner seal.
Looks good on this side. Push down gently.
Gauges are reading correctly.
Lights are fully operational.
All levels and tensions checked. Ready for startup.
All checks complete on the engine bay. Confirmed on the suspension. Ready for finishing.